a morning 5k boxed off. We actually come to Dubai on Sunday evening. It's now Tuesday morning, the first day in Dubai, so yesterday was just a bit of an admin day. Just had loads of work to catch up on. Monday's usually pretty busy for us with the team, so we spent most of the day with them, just making sure they prep for the week. But yeah, this is the day where we're going to start just filming and just document what we're doing over here. We're actually here for a couple of business opportunities which you'll see throughout the vlog that we are really keen to explore. So we've got loads and loads of people that we're meeting, people in real estate, people in sales. Some of our landlords are actually in Dubai as well, so we're going to have a catch up with them. And then also one of our clients, Alex, who's a mentee of ours, so we're going to try and get a catch up with him. So yeah, just wrapped up this run, just got Jack downstairs, he's picking up some iced Americanos. We are in Starbucks, so you might be thinking, come on Kieran, you're in Dubai, why are you in Starbucks? Well, the Starbucks in Dubai are a little bit different. So I'm outside all on my own, but you got a rooftop. You can see all of JBR. So yeah, we've got our first meeting. It's 8:30 right now in the morning. We've got our first meeting at 10. So we're just gonna have a quick coffee, walk back to the apartment, get ready. And yeah, another busy day today. So let's go. Here he is. So I'm just catching up with Heather now, and it's absolutely crazy the progression that she's going through right now. She came into the office on Friday last week before we held the community dinner, and she was really struggling with her sales process. So she said, look Kieran, I've got 19 leads, I've tried them all, I'm giving up, I don't know what to do with them, I've not booked in any meetings. So I immediately knew something was wrong. So she came into the office, we refined the whole sales process, we put new systems in place, and we put proper nurture sequences in place as well to speak to the leads. And also we did some shadowing on the call. So Heather rang the landlords in front of me, and then I was going through some objections with her, just helping her out on the call. And literally she took 2 calls and booked 2 meetings from those 2 calls. And I think now let's just give her the confidence to keep progressing with these leads, putting the ads back online again, or even increasing the budget on the ads. She's just messaged me saying she sent a contract and agreed a 12-month Airbnb management contract with a landlord, which is just ridiculous. I believe she's only spent about £200 on ads. This landlord is going to generate £500 per month in management fees for a year just from £200 in ad spend. That's the power of meta ads. And she's also just messaged me, got another good call today with this landlord. Went really well, preparing the forecast for tomorrow. So it's just ridiculous the progression that she's making. So I want to say a big shout out to Heather. You're absolutely smashing it. Yeah, really looking forward to seeing how you progress over the next few months. I reckon, yeah, we can at least get to 10 properties. So let's go. We are in Dubai, but that doesn't mean you come unprepared for your landlord meetings. So the emergency quarter zip is still coming out to play. No, we are ready. Shorts and slides. No. So a bit of context, he said he's got a portfolio of properties, he's good for LinkedIn. So I think he's just like the look of my posts. I've not had any property details yet, so this is just a bit of a chin wag. See, yeah. So it's been a very productive day so far. It's currently 8:30 PM now, so about 4:30 in the UK. The team are clocking off very soon, but they've absolutely killed it. So Eloise has booked in 4 landlord meetings. The meeting that we had yesterday with the portfolio landlord, we've sent over a proposal to him, which sounds very promising, and he's actually coming into the office the week after we get back, which is good. Super important if you have got capacity for it to get an office, because it's great for inviting clients, it's great for the team, it's great for the culture. So I would recommend to anybody who's running a small business, just try and get an office as soon as you can. It doesn't have to be a swanky office in Spinningfields. You don't have to spend £5,000 a month on a new office, but I think it does do wonders for the culture and the team morale. So obviously if you are running a service-based business and you're delivering services to clients, I think it's a really good thing to have in place that clients can just come and see you in the office. It builds a lot of trust, it builds your reputation as well as an expert in the industry. So yeah, very productive. Me and Jack have committed to going on a run every single day while we're here, because we went on a run yesterday, realised how unfit we were.
So unfit. So fit. It's harder when it's warm as well.
Yeah.
Excuse me, go ahead.
We literally ran from JBR to JBR. Had struggled with it, so yeah, we're gonna go on a run. We were locked in Manchester at one point.
We've got to do this every morning, innit?
So let's go. Cheeky 5k, then we're gonna try and get in the sea. As it looks, yeah, it's a nice beach, so yeah, let's go. It's got marina there, where we just ran from. And then, I don't know if you can see it, but the Atlantis is over there. Oh, I was way off then. Over there. It's crazy. It looks so good when the air quality is like not shit. You just see everything now, and the sun comes through a lot more, so it's just a lot warmer. I'm trying to get a tan.
Yeah, I'm trying
not getting a tan at this rate.
Just been working so much.
All that working, clocking in. So that's another run, boxed off. Me and Jack are going to try and do that every single day. It's just crazy, like, people say Dubai's soulless, people say Dubai's not for them. I just genuinely don't get how I've come to that conclusion. Like, every time I've been here, I've loved it so much. I think the culture's good, you speak to people, everyone's so friendly, everyone's on the same mission. So I'm just struggling to fathom like how people don't like this place. Like, it's absolutely stunning for one. It's like 26 degrees at 10 in the morning right now. We're heading to a meeting with a good mate of mine, Nathan, in about 45 minutes. So we're meeting him in Dubai Hills. Nathan's absolutely killing it in the real estate market. Came into leasing for his first 6 months to a year and then got into sales. He's flying. So he's working with a lot of investors. It's a big revenue stream for us in the UK, and working with like property sources and investment companies. Another business opportunity for me, Kieran and George. You know, if we can expand of all stays into the UAE, that'll be a massive milestone for us. Like, we wrote our goals at the start of the year, and yeah, we want to get to 200 properties in the UK, but also we do want to expand the business internationally. Yeah, we'll have a good catch up with him, see how he's getting on, and just see if we can provide any value to what he's doing. So yeah, hopefully it's a win-win situation that we can get going. But yeah, it'd be good to catch up with him regardless. Then we're meeting Jordan and Fane. So Jordan and Fane are some of our clients who are based in Australia. So they're killing it. What we've had to do with them is work a little bit more closely, because very different to the UK in terms of legislations, regulations, insurances, etc. In terms of operations, winning clients, getting guests, exactly the same. It's exactly the same everywhere. But we have been working with them a lot more closely to kind of get over these restrictions and legislations. So they've finally found their area, they've got the things in place, and now it's about the sales. So they're already making good progress with that. So we're meeting them, having a good catch up, and then putting plans in place. And then I've also got 2 other calls with clients today that are inside our VIP community, making sure that they're all aligned, more accountability calls, and just putting plans in place for them as well. It's just class to see everybody in the community killing it, putting the work in, doing what we say, absorbing the content, and just growing as individuals. They're not just learning skills to run an Airbnb business, they're learning skills that they can literally take in any industry. You know, sales and marketing, operations, hiring, scaling. You can use those skills in any niche. So although they are doing Airbnb right now, they will scale their Airbnb businesses, but they can take these skills they've learned with me and Kieran into literally any sector or any industry that they end up going down further down the line. So yeah, it's just great to see. Can't wait to do another community dinner as well, so that will be happening in April. We've got the Short Stay Summit, I believe it's the 22nd of April. So we've already got quite a lot of community members coming there to meet us, but we are hosting some drinks and a little dinner after as well. So we're going to try and get 25 to 30 people in one room, because I think that would be so valuable for them. The community dinner that we did on Friday was just ridiculously valuable for everybody there. Everyone's on the same page. We were building relationships with each other, networking, talking about struggles, and just building that relationship in person, which I think you can't beat. That was great doing Zoom calls, but you can't beat face-to-face interaction. So now we've seen the value of it, we're going to be doing more of those for sure. But yeah, tomorrow we've got another busy day, but I'll talk about that later. We've got basically things happening every single day we're here, just trying to make it as productive as possible. So yeah, fingers crossed that yeah, we can get some movement on the expansion internationally. That'll be class for business. So yeah, take it with us. I'm about to get ready, meet Kieran, and then head to Dubai Hills. How crazy is this?
This is unreal. We're in Dubai Hills right now. It's just different gravy. Different gravy. So we've been chilling at a coffee shop there. We're meant to meet a good mate called Nathan. He's actually over here now in the real estate game. He works for a company called Strada and he's in the sales side. So just having a good conversation with him, sort of like how he's doing at the moment, sort of what our goals are for the next 12 months. Because we're potentially looking to expand the management business over here. So just seeing how like we can sort of like work together, and we've got some really good opportunities what we can potentially work on over the next year or so, which is crazy. But I just think it's just a different game out here. Like, it's just a completely different market. Like when you do come places like this, you just think completely bigger. There's so much opportunity for what you can do. Some of the people we've met already, I'm meeting a few people end of this week. I don't know, I just think there's a massive big game to play out here. Like people are just doing really good things, nothing but like good conversations, and it's really inspiring. I do understand why a lot of people do move here. I mean, when you are like, for example, in Manchester, although it is good, you're sort of capped by what you can do. Whereas where people have come over here, they've already taken that investment in themselves. They took a bit of that risk, that big jump to come over here, and just seeing like what they're doing, sort of how you can potentially do the same. It's just really inspiring. But that's the way I always look at it. You want to be in markets where you are rewarded for what you do. And there's a good quote that Warren Buffett says, it's not, no matter how hard you row, it's about the boat you're in. And it's the exact same with this. It's like being in a game or being in an environment where people are doing really well. It rubs off in you because you really just start to envision what that looks like. Like, for example, Nathan mentioned someone at his company is doing 200k a month for, is it 2.4 mil?
2.4 mil a year, yeah.
He's 24 years old and like doing £200,000 a month. You start what you envision, like what's he doing day to day? How does his life look like? I want to live a life like that. There's no shame in saying you want to make a lot of money. So it's being in environments where people are really doing well. It just rubs off on you massively. And like, I just want to get out here ASAP, set the management business up. There's just so much opportunity in terms of the brokerage side and the Airbnb management side. So good conversation, good day today. Yeah, good.
Let's go. Just wrapped up the meeting then with Nathan. Ridiculously exciting. I think there's a lot that we can do together from the Airbnb perspective. Loads of landlords and investors are needing a proper management business. There are a few that are already established, but nowhere near the amount that's in the UK, London, Manchester, our key areas. So I think there's a lot of work that we can do together. If you've not already checked out Nathan's page, I'll put a link in the description because Nathan's absolutely killing it. If you're a property investor, if you're a portfolio landlord and you just want to explore the option of investing in the Dubai market, then have a chat with Nathan. He knows his stuff, he's been here for 2 years, and yeah, it'd be worth having a conversation if you are interested in that. So yeah, I'll put a link in the description for his Instagram. He puts a lot of content out there talking about the Dubai market, also his story as well, so you can check it out and yeah, hopefully reach out to him and have a conversation. So to jump on with Jordan and Fane now, they're our clients in Australia. They're building the business in Melbourne. We're just going to see how they're getting on, put plans in place for next week and take it from there. Been there and done it. We've got Manchester, we've got London, we've got all the key areas of the UK.
But that's why I make excited for you boys as well, because it's like you guys in Australia.
Well, it's very differently here, or not very differently, but what this makes you guys probably...
We had an intense game of paddle. I had to go and get a Dubai cap, so my head was burning up, but I think it looks pretty smart.
Here, it's 9 AM UK time.
It's fit.
Yeah, it's 9 AM UK time when it's 1 PM here, so you just got back to time in the morning to just get done, get the gym out of the way, go for some food, chill with your mates, play a bit of paddle, and then you're working. So I got my first meeting in 2.5 hours, and then back to back till like 9 PM, so yeah, but this is probably the best day it's been so far. Visibility and like the sun and stuff, so we're going to enjoy the beach for a little bit. Kieran's dying to go on here. Little Hello Kitty playground. Kieran, going on that?
What?
Let's go and see Hello Kitty. I am.
So where are we now? Serious gaff. Chill. So we've just been to meet someone called Rama. So he's based here. He's an Airbnb operator. He's been operating now for 3 years. It's him and his brother who do it together. Similar to how like me and Kieran do it. He's an interesting one because he's got double the amount of reviews we've got, more properties than we've got. However, he's a 4.96 rated. So having a chat with him, boarded by Airbnb twice to say he's the best host in Dubai 2 years in a row by Airbnb themselves, which is absolutely crazy. So just speaking to him, feel like what golden nuggets does he have? And it's like, it sort of gives us a bit of relief that we're sort of on the right track. We're doing what we're doing. However, there's a few things we are missing, which I think would absolutely take us to the next level, which is what I want to try and do in some point in the near future. However, all of it comes at a cost. But there's some interesting stuff I took away from the conversation from him. He said there's one hire in his business that stops 60 to 70% of the complaints going through the door because he already pre-handled them all. I literally do it before anyone even checked in. So just seeing that one trick that he does, I think if we implemented it in the UK business, we could really take it to another level. Oh. It's cold. And he's cooking up on calls.
Our acquisition manager, Eloise, she just got off the call with a landlord in London who's got a six bed townhouse in London. The nightly rates, it's just outside of London. The nightly rates are about $320 a night. So landlord's super keen to move forward. It just needs furnishing. So we need to put a plan in place for that, whether we recommend our furniture providers or we do it in-house. So we'll just have to see, but yeah, absolutely buzzing with it. The new ads are cooking. Keep seeing everyone copying the ads as well. Got a message before. Someone's genuinely copying our ads.
Really?
Yeah, it's so bad.
What from? Who is that? Someone we know?
Nah, not someone in the community. We let everyone in the community do it, because that's fine. Someone outside the community is copying our ads.
Really?
Yeah.
So cooking up, we're at USC gym today, but it's absolutely incredible. So you've got obviously all the equipment over there, and all the boxes over here with UFC. People doing stuff in the past now, but overall good gym. We've got a big session today, so we're doing a push session. So we've got some cable flies, we've got some bench press, some triceps as well. We'll finish off with some dips. Getting the reps in there.
Jack belongs here now with his bald head.
The reps are 70.
When I got here, they said I was a soft ass. They made me shave my head at the airport. Threw me in the grave. These man. Fighting like a gorilla ever since.
In my pocket, one hell of a year, and the niggas still dropping. They wanted to stop it, but they couldn't stop it. You told us.
Fucking up in USC gym, aren't we, Jack? Why is it fucking up?
Fighting all morning. Shaved the head. 70 dagger still.
2-3 years, daggers, don't forget. Nah, it's an unreal gym in here. So you've got all the like equipment here, so I'll just quickly show you. So everything like legs, back, all that stuff. Then we've got obviously all the boxing stuff over here with mats and that as well. So there's obviously people doing lessons. Overall, top gym.
Right, so we've gone through a campaign, gone through. It's what it's like with Jack.
Been through the campaigns.
Right.
Been through the campaigns.
Oh. Nah, bro.
I was just scared to fuming. I was
Right, why do you go? Right, that is a wrap for the Dubai trip. They need a haircut. Missed my barber appointment the other day. So, looking forward to get home, getting a trim. Jack's happy to go home.
No, I'm actually not.
No, I've just done an ads mastery with Jack to finish off the vlog. Got the giggles at the start, which is funny. But yeah, we loomed it all, so I'm going to upload that to the community, the VIP community, because I think it was super valuable. Like, not just hearing it from a property management perspective, but how you can actually just apply meta ads to any business model out there. So once you've learned how to run ads properly, you can transfer that into any niche, any business. So yeah, that was super enjoyable. So yeah, wrapping up the video here. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy the video, and hopefully we can come back to Dubai very soon. Let's go.